What's up YouTube, it's your boy Justin back with another video. Thank y'all for tuning in to another special video today. First of all, before we jump into this video, man, I just want to thank y'all, man, for the comments, subscribing, man, likes, everything, man. Thank y'all for the love and support. We steady growing, man. If you're new to the channel, you just tuned in, please hit the subscribe button for me, hit the notification bell, like the video, comment below, share it, do all the good things for me, man, so this video can go up. Today we're going over Air Jordan 1 Taxi.
That money I love. I'm shriving it down. Yeah, I'm causing a madness.
Sweet. Dope shoe. Very dope. Check out the color. Check out the, come on now, the black and white OG Jordan 1. You can't go wrong. They already laced up like this because I had took them out and put them on, but y'all see the shoe, man. The shoe itself speaks for itself, man. This is a nice, dope shoe. You can't miss out on this shoe, man. You can't. So, this shoe right here, this shoe is set to release on September 24th for $170. And this shoe, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's gonna definitely sell out. So, definitely try to get your hands on these. These will be listed on the Sneakers app, Foot Locker, Champs, all that. All the sneaker websites, these wheels gonna be releasing. So please, y'all probably wanna tune in and get these. These are some dope shoes. Yeah, I know Jordan 1s is one of my favorite shoes. I love Jordan 1s, especially the OGs. I just love them all. And this colorway right here just stand out crazy. So y'all know me, I'm gonna describe the shoe to y'all, not too deep in details, but you know, just over the basic materials of the shoe. Then of course at the end of the video, I will be trying these on and styling them. So don't click out this video, man. Watch all the way to the end. Smash that like button for me if you're new. Like I said, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And let's go ahead and jump into the details of the shoe and the box. Let's go. To the box, like I said, the dude has that orange yellow color all around the box. And I can check just the original Jordan, Air Jordan 1 box as they always come in. I got a 10.5 in these, as y'all can see, 170. As you open up the box, we got just the normal paper. As you can see, then these didn't come with no no extra shoelaces, but I can see people putting like white shoelaces in here. Even maybe this color is definitely gonna be hard to find. One Taxi, man, this is right here. This color right here is this stand out, man. This, I won't even say this like a yellow color. This is more like the same color as the threes. And laser orange. It's like an orange yellow. That's what it is. Like more like an orange yellow shoe. And this is pretty dope. Yeah, I see the leather on the shoe, man. Perfect, good quality. They did their thing with this shoe, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This color right here is just gonna stand up by itself, I'm telling you. It's definitely a dope Jordan 1 shoe. As y'all can see, of course, it's just like a Jordan 1 shoe, man. You got the black Nike check on both sides of the shoe. White in the midsole of the shoe. On the bottom sole, got the white that go all around. Bottom of it, bottom sole, we got the yellow Nike check in the middle. And on the tongue, as you can see, we have the same color with the tag on the top of the tongue of the shoe. Black shoelaces, black over toe cap that go over into the middle of the shoe right here. Also got the yellow inside, the same yellow inside the insole of the shoe. Nike print check, 10.5 on the bottom of the shoe right there, as you can see. Yeah, man, the shoe right here, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This might be my favorite Jordan 1 shoe right here. I had to cop these. This shoe is just, the color and everything just stand out. You can do a lot of outfits with it. I'm glad they released these, man. Like I said, these are coming out September 24th for $170. So definitely try to get your hand on these. These are a dope shoe. The leather, the quality of these shoes is amazing. Color stand out. This is definitely, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this might be my top favorite shoe of the year. I'm telling y'all. Now we're gonna see when I get the Cherry 11s in my hand, but so far right now, these is winning right now. I love these. These are some nice shoes. So now I'm gonna go ahead, put them on feet, throw some outfits on for them, man. So y'all comment below what y'all think about the outfits, the shoes, or y'all copping. Any question, any of that, leave in the comment section below, man. Y'all follow me on Instagram, man, TikTok, Video Stylist, all in there. So y'all check that out. Thank y'all for supporting. I love y'all. If you're new, like I said, please hit subscribe, notification bell, like button, press them. New videos dropping every week, man. So y'all stay tuned and see y'all next video. I'm out.
One for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches round this bitch, they all the coders. I just told her make a story. I just bought all the Trojans. I told her stay out my mix. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. Let's go. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team.
Can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that day, it's the only 2, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay.